made it to the Washington Bridge near Athens, Georgia. It was built in 1885, and I guess they built the dams in there also to make the waterfall. There used to be 200 of these bridges in Georgia, but there's only 20 of them left.
I think this is the longest one also.
This was the longest one built that still exists. And you can hear the roaring of the waterfall. Sounds pretty neat. And you can see over here that there's water coming down, hitting some of the rocks on this side, splattering around. Kind of neat looking. I guess eventually it will erode away.
Yep.